Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel, the AIM Trader. You can see that what we have done analysis of on Friday, how it will behave. You can see that what happened is that you can see that continuously here only sustaining. After that it breaks downside. I have told you this act as a supporting area. Okay guys, after that you can see that our first target is hit, second target, third target also reached. Here is after that the seller is very much activated. After the half an hour is seller's area. Okay guys, we have reached our all target, because what I have told you, if it will take resistance then it will come like this. After that you can see that it came first here only, so we have to take a upside momentum. What target is this? You have to take like that only. Okay guys, we have what we have discussed. If it will take here resistance, it taken here support, then our first target will be this, second target and third target. Like this you have to take your trades. Okay guys, we can see in NASDAQ 100. Okay guys, you can see that what I have told you, if it will take support, then your first target and second target. Always you can see that here if you have missed, don't worry about it. If you have missed here, nothing is about that. It taken resistance here only. You can see that next time also, second time you have got your chances here. You have bought here or this green candle and your SL will be here. You can see that our first target is easily reached, second target to reach, third target also reached, fourth target is little bit just within for 20 or 15 points, that it came once again taken resistance and came down. That the seller is very much dominating here. So our three target is reached very nicely. You can see that how nicely it reaches. Okay guys, we can see in Russell 3000, we what I have told you, if it will take a resistance, then it came back and take here from resistance, then only go for downside. But it taken here support. You can see that in this point you have buyed, or in this green candle buyed, and here is your SL. You can see that how nicely it taken. Our first target is reached, almost second target also reached. After that only seller is very much activated here. Okay guys, at the end seller is activated in all index. We can see that. After that we can see in SPX 500, you can see it taken a here support. It we doesn't count this because this is 5 minutes. After this, okay guys, what we have seen, it is coming downside. After this is taken resistance, our first target is hit. Okay guys, after that it taken a reversible, your stop loss will triggered. Okay guys, no worry about it. This is the bullish candle. After that this green candle, your SL will be here. So you can see that our first target also reached, second target also reached, almost third target also reached, all target reached. After that only bears came back and taken it downside. Okay guys, we can see in HGX also. In HGX it's a very much a gap down only. After that it continuously consolidate, done nothing like that. Okay guys, so in HGX nothing is happened. In BKX, okay guys, in BKX what happened, you can see that this is the your first target. You can see here. Okay guys, this is your first target, second target and third target. Okay guys, what happened is that you can see that this is first time, second time, this is the third time. I always told you, third time whenever comes, so high probability is that it will break upside and gives us very nice momentum. You can see that after this third breaks, if you had your SL in this green candle or this green candle, you can see that after you have bought your first target, second target also reach, third target I am not given you that. Okay guys, in downside if open it taken a support, then only go for your these three target, but two target almost reach our we have got very nice momentum in this BKX. Okay guys, I have always told you, you can return down also. This is first time, second time. However, third time it will came, it will blast. Okay guys, it gives us very nice upside momentum. You can see that how nicely momentum done. In SOX, you can see that in SOX what happened is that it taking continuously resist, first time, second time, third time it breaks. Okay guys, after what happened, it continuously here only consolidating. Okay guys, after that it came once again downside. After that consolidate, and here is the one of the what we can say that it is a consolidation phase only. After this will break, you can see that how nicely consolidating only and gives us very nice momentum here. One of the major trend line what I have seen is that this is the one of the major trend line. After this break, this green candle I have seen, after then only I have buyed up till here. Okay guys, in SOX have got very nice momentum also. Okay guys, in XAU it is a slightly only open somewhere here only. Okay guys, somewhere you can see that somewhere here only it taken a support. At least you can see that here only just touches only. Okay guys, after that gives us very nice momentum up till here. Our first target, second target, two target also hit. After that it continuously go consolidation phase and closed. Okay guys, in Tesla also what we have discussed, if it will take resistance then only go. You can see that how nicely it taken a support from here and gives us very nice target. But this is what I have told you, this is act as a resistance. You can see that I will just shift this line, so you can see that how nicely it taken a resistance from this line only. Or you have seen this, the one of the major trend line, you can see that here. Okay guys, after that this is the major trend line. However break, you have to go for this resistance. You have got very nice momentum. Okay guys, now we can see how you can trade on Monday all the index and some of the stocks. Okay guys, you can see that here only it taken resistance and came back. So if it will take somewhere here resistance, then you can go for your first target, second target and third target. Okay guys, these three target you can surely go for. After that, if once again I will tell you, if it will come down, okay guys, if it will take support like this, then your first target, second target and third target. Okay guys, if it will open a gap up or taken a supporting area, then you can go for these first target, second target and third target. Okay guys, we can see in NASDAQ also how it works. In NASDAQ also, just a second, we can see. Okay guys, now it is taking from here only while so if it will take a support from here, your first target will be this. Okay guys, and your second target and your third target. Okay guys, these three target you can surely go for upside momentum. In downside also we can see that if it will take resistance from here, then only you can have a first target, second target and your third target, these three target. Okay guys, we can see in Russell 3000. Okay guys, in Russell 3000 you can see that it taking a supporting area from here only. So if it will take support, then you can take these all for upside momentum, and for downside momentum also I will just shift this line. So you can see here, these are the some of the momentum which we have captured. You can capture it on Monday. Okay guys, in SPX you can see that it taken resistance and came down once again. So if it will take resistance or it will take upside momentum, your first target will be this, second target will be this and third target. Okay guys, these three target you can surely go for upside momentum. If it will take a resistance from here, your first target will be this, second target guys, third target and fourth target guys. These are the four target for SPX. In DJX also we can see that it is the major resistance area. If open gap up or something, it taken resistance, your first target will be this point, second target will be this point, third target will be this. Okay guys, in upside momentum also we can see that if it opens a gap up or something, then your first target will be this, because this is the seller zone. So you have to book your all profit, or you can partially take it if it will be bullish. Then your third and fourth target will be these guys. Okay guys, in BKX you can see that BKX it is taking right now a resistance. Okay guys, so we have marked it as a resistance right now. If it will take once again resistance, then your first target will be this only. Then you can take your second target, this is the third target, fourth target. Okay guys, in upside momentum also we can see that this is the our first target will be this, second target and third target. Okay guys, these three target you can surely go for. And we can see next index SOX. You can see in SOX what I have told you. If it will take a resistance, right now it is taking a resistance only. If once again it will take a resistance from there, so what is possibility is that if it will come downside, then it will take a resistance, your first target, this is second, third. Okay guys, this target, three target you can surely go for. This is upside momentum target. Okay guys, now we can see in XAU index, you can see that it is this is the one of the trend line. If it will break, then only we can go for upper side momentum. Okay, this is also one of the here. From here, this is also making a triangle pattern. Okay guys, you know that the triangle pattern will breaks, so gives us very nice momentum. If it will break, your first target will be this, then your second target and your third target. Big target will be you can reach if this triangle pattern will be break. Okay guys, after that we can see that if it will break, your first target will be this and second target will be this. Okay guys, these are the targets. In Tesla also you can see that this is continuously taking a resistance from here only. Okay, this is the one of the major thing where Tesla is taking resistance. Okay guys, right now what we can see is that it is continuously taking a resistance only. If it will break upside momentum, then you can surely go for your first target and your second target. Okay guys, these are the two target in upside momentum. And downside, if it once again taken a resistance, your first target and second target, it is continuously taking resistance right now. If it will break, gives us very nice and big momentum in downside. Okay guys, we can see in daily chart also Tesla's chart. Okay guys, I will just remove this all the things. Okay guys, right now you can see here what is doing is it is continuously consolidating here only. If this is the one of the major supporting area, if this will break, then gives us very nice momentum. If one of the major thing is here is that if this will break, then gives us okay guys, what we have discussed, if it will break, this time it doesn't take any support. If it takes support, then we can see, but probability is that it will break downside, then it will goes up till here. Okay guys, so you can check out this thing also. Okay guys, so if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel guys. Thank you for watching.